How to change age range on Hinge. If you'd like to meet people from the selected age group on Hinge, then you can easily change it and set it according to your preference. Open up your Hinge dating application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you are logged in, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Then, from the profile page, tap on Dating Preferences. From the Dating Preferences option, tap on Age Range. Now, drag the slider and pick the age range you'd like to meet people from. And make sure to check this little box at the bottom. Now you can go back by tapping on the back arrow button at the top left, and that way you should be able to change the age range on Hinge and be presented with the people's profile that you selected within the age range. That is how you'll be able to quickly change your age range on Hinge. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.